Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just a article I came across about a stock that I've talked about numerous times here on the channel, but this is the MJ stock that has outperformed Apple, Netflix, Facebook, and Amazon as of 7 hours ago. This came out. So investors who added the Denver-based hydroponics innovator GRWG, Grow Generation, like I said, I've talked about them numerous times here, to their portfolios some 5 years ago, must now be quite happy with the stock's hefty returns, although this one is down quite a bit, so I kind of would have to do the total financials and check, but I know this one is up, but it's also down. If you'd have looked at it a couple months ago, it had really been doing good, but it's had me watching it, and probably going to be buying some more of this one since it is down so much right at this point in time. But despite the 19 negative effect on the overall economy for the past 2 years, some industries like pharma, e-commerce, and online gaming thrived, and the MJ industry also experienced unexpected growth, with some weed-related stocks continuing to see gains, although the whole sector is down right now. I think it finally hit a bottom and is starting to come back up. But over the last 5 years, Grow Generation stock has outperformed some of the most popular stocks in the world, such as Apple, Netflix, Meta, Facebook, and Amazon, which I've been talking about a lot here lately. Although far from a pure play MJ stock, Grow Generation's connection to MJ industry is perfectly clear, as the company distributes much needed agricultural products to U.S. MJ companies. I got into this one a couple years ago, and as you follow my channel, I'm into quite a few different MJ stocks. And so therefore I found this one, it's kind of a picks and shovel play. When the MJ sector is down, this one doesn't go down as much, although it is down right now. But like I said, it's provided a buying opportunity for myself, and considering to pick up some more. So Grow Generation's connection to the MJ industry is perfectly clear, as the company distributes much needed agricultural product to the United States companies. Grow Generation runs retail hydroponic, so anytime you find a hydroponic company, you want to take a real close look at it and see, because that's kind of the wave of the future. Hydroponics started taking off in 2020 when everybody was staying home, doing gardening, doing hobbies, that type of thing, growing their own food, and it's also good for a lot of the MJ companies as well. So the retail hydroponic and organic specialty gardening retail stores that provide plant nutrition, advanced lighting technology, and farming soil, among other agricultural needs. Like I said, it's the picks and shovel behind a lot of the MJ companies. So over the last several years, they have grown its business through numerous acquisitions. Currently oversees 63 stores across 13 states, and I would just watch for that to keep growing, and operates an online superstore for cultivators and a business-to-business e-commerce platform and manufacturer of indoor vertical racking system. So the fourth quarter and full year of 2021, the company disclosed a full year revenue of $422.5 million compared to $193.4 million. For the full year of 2020, an increase of 118%, including the contribution from acquisitions. Here's how the returns break down from March 2017 to the present. And like I said, even though it is down right now, we'll go ahead and take a look at the price here at the end. Here's how the returns. Facebook is up from $139.84 a share to $195.21 with a return of 39.6. Netflix from $145.11 to $356.77. That was up at 600 at one point in time. A return of 145.86. Amazon at $852.31 to $29.36, up 244%. Apple from $35.92 to $158, a return of 341%. And of course they've had splits and all that good stuff in there as well. And finally, Grow Generation, up from $1.77 per share to $8.79 for a return of $396.61. So, but that is kind of an interesting article. Like I said, if you're in MJ stocks and you don't have Grow Generation, and if you don't have Grow Generation, you definitely want to take a look at it. Like I said, especially today as it's going down even more, so I think I'm going to be putting in a buy order on this one. But here you can see what it's done or not done over the last year, but it was up at $55. I so wish I would have sold out of this one now, but I just didn't think it would ever come down to the levels that it's at now. But so there is a lot of room to grow, but it's down over 84% in the last year, down over 43% in the last 3 months, and the last month down over 18%. And here's a look at in the last week, it's down 1.54%. So been kind of some interesting trading action going on here. So whatever that run up was, but it's coming down again, so it's getting close to the lows. But I've had 15 shares here at $8.91. This looked excellent when it was in the $55 range or even the $40 range. But as you can see, I'm here in the red. But just keep it and hold it. That's what I'm doing with it. So, but like I said, they're a hydroponic and organic specialty gardening company, and I'll link my other videos in the description. Founded in 2014, volume of 870,000 and 2.11 million on the average. We'll just call it $60 million market cap. 52-week low of 674 and a high of 59.32. And analyst ratings of 67%. Here's a look at their earnings. The last time their earnings came out, and so it looks like I had put in for a sell order. So I've had these for quite a while. So 2 shares at $8.63. So had a little bit over a year, but you can see what the price was when I was buying into it, although it is down right now. So some people they would have sold half of theirs, but I just didn't think this one would come down like it did. But I'm going to be putting in a buy order here probably when I'm done with the video, because as you can see, the 52-week low of 674, and we're currently at the low of today. So, but if you have a Grow Generation, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share on this one. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.